Hey, hey. Well, let's look at this. If attention gives rise to what it's looking at, it's basically fuel. But instead of going now into the story of, okay, if I focus, if I put my attention onto business, relationship, love, meditation, and so on, let's just have a look at what happens if we just turn the attention into a different direction, onto the self. So now the fuel is not anymore onto the object of attention, and I'm not fueling it anymore. It crumbles and falls apart. So what is left is this attention, which is facing you, fueling you. And in doing so, have a look. What is this you? Who are you?